Hello, it's Patrick and welcome to another electric vehicle accessory review. Today we've got the Cybertruck cargo divider from Teslaunch. This one right here. Now I bought the one from Tesla right here, and it's supposed to go inside the Cybertruck anywhere along the rail system. It in fact does not. Tesla is famous for their accuracy on putting together vehicles, and it is not exactly the same all the way across the bed. They're past the subtrunk, it's not level. So the way they designed the one from Tesla, it doesn't fit all the way along the bed. It only fits where the trunk is. And I tried a bunch of different things that people said online. You could take out a washer inside of here. You could try loosening these and moving them up. And ultimately they said take it to the service center and they'll redo the entire back of the truck and get it aligned. So I did that, and Tesla said I was using it wrong, and it does not go anywhere but right directly above the subtrunk. So when you have it here, you can't use it. Then along comes the third-party accessory, which is built 90% identical to the one from Tesla. Like, it looks like it's using the same parts, it weighs the same, it's basically the same thing, except they have adjustable feet to account for the 1/4 of an inch variation on the bed. And it works perfectly. You can put it anywhere to divide the Cybertruck bed. It works great. And it costs less. And I've even got a code, Too Smart, if you use it, and you can save 10%. So get this one. There's like no reason to buy this one. This one sucks. Sorry, Tesla, but I imagine they're probably even like made from the same source or something. I don't know, but they're like pretty much identical, other than this one works the way it's supposed to, and this one doesn't. That's my review. What do you guys think? Like, Tesla just kind of messed up here, I think, on the design of how they assemble or whatever. But yeah, they should have made it this way from the get-go. Either that or they should be fixing everybody's trucks. But regardless, my recommendation, thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys again soon. Thanks.
A little better.